Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to fix the issue with Adobe Premiere Pro when you cannot use the NVIDIA GPU to render videos. First of all, we'll need to open Device Manager and disable the integrated graphics card. So we go to this PC, Manage. From here we open Device Manager and we'll need to disable the integrated GPU. In this case we have Intel 770. Right click on it and disable device. Now at search we go to graphics settings. We'll choose the Adobe application. So we go to program files, Adobe Premiere Pro. We choose Adobe Premiere Pro, add, go to options, and we choose the NVIDIA GPU. In this case is RTX 4070 Ti. Click on save, close this one. We right click on desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel. We go to manage 3D settings, program settings. And here, if we don't have the Adobe Premiere application specified, we'll just go to add and scroll over to the Adobe Premiere Pro. But in this case, we'll just use it from here. For CUDA GPUs, we'll need to tick this option and use these GPUs and select our GPU. Press OK. We scroll down. On OpenGL rendering GPU, we'll select the dedicated GPU, hit apply. Also make sure that for power management mode we have prefer maximum performance, and we'll apply this one as well. From here we can close. Now we'll be opening Premiere Pro and we'll do a test. I'll just open a new project. I'll add a video. Let's say this one, for example. Select video. We go to export media. We'll just name it test. Just modify this one so it will take a bit longer. Open Task Manager. We click export. Now it will start rendering our video. If we have a look in Task Manager, we can see that this is using our CPU and also the NVIDIA GPU. If my video helped you, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.